What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, back for another Cloverhealth update. And looks like we are down almost 25 cents today, sitting at minus 23 on the day, down another 2.58%. Not the best day after our nice little... Not the best day today, but could have been way worse here. Let's take a quick peek at the RSI, sitting not where we'd like it to be, down at 45.32. And MACDs are looking like they're just about touching there. So we closed lower than our previous level of support, down at 860 or 876. We broke through that line just at the close today, so that is not a great sign here, but it does look like we do have a lot of support at the 857 mark. So if we slide tomorrow, look for that to bring us back from the pit of misery. Let's take a quick peek at the short interest here, and it is pretty fucking high at 32.01%, moving down a little bit. We do have about the same number of shares available to short as we did yesterday, sitting at 3.4 million. And then going down here to the short borrow fee rate, that continues to drop lower. We were down to 13.21 yesterday. We dropped another 5.11% today. So shorts could be closing out positions some more. Got a couple of things to get to today. And first of which, an article written by Susquehanna Investments. The meme stock trend is dying, so get out of Cloverhealth now. Fucking not falling for it. With meme stocks starting to tumble and Wall Street becoming much more skeptical about Cloverhealth, the outlook of Clove has deteriorated meaningfully in recent weeks. Meanwhile, Clover's claims to be a high-tech disruptor are questionable, and the company continues to face Securities and Exchange Commission, Department of Justice probes, making the shares extremely risky. Oh my God, this could not have Citadel's hands all over it anymore. The right response is to get out now before it drops any further than it has. It sounds like it was written by the shorts themselves. Oh my God. In accordance with my warnings over the last several weeks, meme stocks have been retreating significantly recently. Given the fact that the last U.S. government stimulus check was distributed months ago, while tens of millions of millennials have resumed spending money on group activities in recent weeks, that was bound to happen. All right, fuck this guy. I haven't spent money on any group activities. Not surprisingly, Clover has not been immune to this trend, sinking 11% during the same period and 42% over the last month. In the coming months, the Federal Reserve tapers back on stimulus that has enabled some institutions to join the meme stock friendly. The extra unemployment payments are eliminated, and more millennials start spending money on group activities and returning to offices. The sharp retreat of most meme stocks will probably accelerate. This is written by Citadel Advisors in collaboration with Jane Street Capital. And enough, I'm not going to read any more of this. I want to read an article that already confirms my biases, so here we go. Cloverhealth looks primed to go out of this world. That is more like it. Chris Marcock. As I write this, Cloverhealth is trading at $8.78 per share, but the rumblings on the Reddit message boards, Cloverhealth stock is about to go higher. Clover has been one of the stonks that are part of the investing landscape in 2021, affectionately called the Apes. This network of traders is ready to place their diamond hands on the stock. Kind of fuck this guy, though. Clove has a short interest of its float sitting around 37%. That makes it prime for a short squeeze candidate, and based solely on that metric, the Apes have a case. They have sent shares of the health insurance provider spiking on 2 other occasions since it went public, and they're hoping that the third time will be the charm. It seems to me that investors are faced with a choice. On one hand, you can take a trip to the planet of the apes, and you can do very well for yourself, or you can keep your feet firmly planted on planet Earth. Both paths entail some risks and potentially a significant reward. Clover Bulls say the company represents the future of health insurance. They predict that in future years, medical schools and teaching colleges will be using Clover Assistant as part of their curriculum. There's scant evidence to support that, and even if it does happen, it's in a future that's years away. However, there's one thing the apes have made very clear in their comments to me. They don't care. Fair enough, and I've already said that Clove stock is likely to go higher, and nothing I write about here is going to change that. Let's stop reading this before we read anything that does not already confirm our bias. Okay, so here's an interesting comparison of someone comparing Clove to AMC, and basically starts out, we are here, right, after AMC spiked up to 20, went down, back up a little bit, and then down in the pit of misery right here, and then it just kind of hung out here, consolidated, languished. Everyone gave up hope, and then June 21, boom, all the way up to 60, and then we are back down a little bit, but that is not the same company, but I do like that comparison because it makes me feel good. There we go. This is what I wanted to get to on here. By the YOLO God. They've got $1.7 billion to dump, yet where is it getting them? A deeper grave. They need you to sell. Remember, low volume is good, increases their days to cover. We're in a good spot. They're pushing hard to get us under 9 and keep us there. I'm watching the volume, and it is insane. Don't panic. We're fine. The more they short, the more they'll have to cover. Remember, they can naked short, but they cannot naked buy shares that do not exist. We've got them. Just hold. They want you to believe that they can short this to 0, then they make the money. Absolutely not true. They need to be able to buy the shares, which many of this subreddit holds. As long as you hold, you win. Fucking diamond, hands, apes, boom. All right, guys, that is going to do it for this one. So as always, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Cloverhealth, as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.